So I've been out here at the Northlake Nature Center for about an hour, and the main system is the NCC trail system. I haven't even gotten to that yet. I've been on the Clubhouse trail since I got here and just doing all the little side trails that they have. That's kind of a cool thing about this place. You can kind of choose your own adventure. There's so many different trails that you can take. So I don't really care. I don't really have much to do today. Self-quarantining, COVID-19, and yeah, just trying to take advantage of this time, making some videos. I haven't really been doing that much lately, although I do appreciate everybody that's been subscribing and watching my videos. It's pretty cool. Finally reached over 1,000 subscribers. I've been doing a lot of stuff on Instagram and my Facebook page. That's about all the social media stuff I've been doing, but hopefully start doing that a little bit more now that I'm not so distracted by social life. Yeah, so I'm gonna hit the Eagle Trail now and see where that goes. Go. Over or under? What you gonna do? Come on. Good boy. So I'm on the South Loop, and it's like 1.5 miles, I think, altogether. Half of it is just along this pipeline access. Of course, this is not a good time, but one positive thing is a lot of people are taking advantage of the natural areas that we do have, and I see a lot of people with their kids out here on the trail. It's really cool. So I took the trail for Savannah Lake. Now I see on the map where there is a small lake that opens up to Castine Bayou, which I think is what's right behind me there. And we're parallel to it. It's on my left. And that's what the map says. The North Trail does, the North Loop Trail. So I'm assuming that little trail, the Savannah Lake Trail, just goes back to the North Loop. Who knew? I don't think it would go this far. I've been on this for probably about 1/2 mile. But if you look for little side trails, you can get pretty close to the water. It's nice. It doesn't really open up. It's more like a marsh than a lake, which I like, so it's pretty. Just got back on the Clubhouse Trail, and I've been out here for like 5 hours, so this is pretty cool. And I still didn't do all the trails. There's still some side trails, but I did most of them. Did the South Loop, the North Loop, the Eagle Trail. So I did the main trails in the system out here. But yeah, you could spend all day out here, which is pretty cool. Not too many opportunities like that around here. Be prepared for a lot of people. Be prepared for exposure on especially the big loop trails. So not a lot of water. So if you bring your dog, bring some water for them. I've got one of those collapsible like camping cups. That's what I use to, I just carry a bottle of water and just pour it into that. And that's what I use for hutch. So yeah, great little place. Definitely recommend checking it out. It's pretty convenient to get to. It's right next to Fontainebleau State Park. Pretty near the interstate, a couple of miles off of I-12. I don't know, I keep thinking somebody's gonna walk up while I'm doing this. I'm gonna feel ridiculous.